Hi, David Campanile here, owner of Campanile Law, located in the state of New Jersey. We handle estate planning and probate. Today's topic is going to be about something we talk about constantly here, but it's going to be another reason why you should update your estate plan. But before we dive into that topic, if you have any questions pertaining to estate planning or probate, and you want to schedule a free strategy session over the phone with me, head on over to njestateattorney.com to schedule a day and time that works best for you. So this actually came from a financial planner, financial advisor that I work very closely with, and this was a situation that he reached out to me with, and I thought, bang, another video topic for you guys, as we're all always dying to see what I'm going to talk about. Even some mornings I wake up and I try to figure out what I'm going to talk about with my cup of coffee. So what happened here was we had a gentleman who was, basic estate plan to our knowledge, and had a life insurance policy. And for decades, he told his sister that, you're the beneficiary. I have life insurance. Don't worry. The life insurance is going to cover my funeral costs, and you'll make a little money. And the sister went along with that. And sure enough, this gentleman passed away. And the sister, remembering everything her brother told her, went about getting, paying for the funeral, because she remembered being told that she was the beneficiary on this life insurance policy, and the funeral costs about, $20,000. And she, after looking through papers, found out where the life insurance policy was. And lo and behold, when she contacted the life insurance company, she provided the death certificate and was waiting for her forms. And the life insurance company said, and you guessed it, we're sorry, but you are not the designated beneficiary on this policy. And this sent the woman, the sister, into kind of like a tailspin, because she had been banking on being able to get this money back that she had fronted for the funeral, and come to find out that the brother had an estranged daughter, who's now residing somewhere else. And that daughter, being that the designated beneficiary supersedes everything, is set to inherit that life insurance policy, and this woman is now out the $20,000 for the funeral. Now you're probably saying, David, there's got to be some repercussions here. There's got to be some sort of issue. There's got to be some way that this woman, the sister, could recoup the $20,000. Well, there's a couple ways, but they're not the greatest. So number one is her locating this daughter, and basically saying, look, I fronted the money for your father. I took care of him. Can you give me the $20,000 out of the life insurance policy to cover what I paid, to reimburse me for my expenses? The other option is potentially, now, this is something a little different. If you cannot locate the designated beneficiary on a life insurance policy, your life insurance policy does not stay with the life insurance company. It actually becomes property of your estate, which then becomes grabbable by creditors. And in theory, if we were to take this, that this was a gentleman of simple means and didn't have a lot of debt, didn't have creditors, and his sister is the next of kin here, because they can't locate the daughter, she would inherit the $100,000 through the estate. So that's the other way that this may be able to work out for this individual. But really, why I bring this topic to you is this story shows the importance of, when you have a consultation with myself, your financial planner, or we ask you, or any estate planning attorney, and we ask that you please, double check your beneficiaries. Make sure they're the people you want. Update your beneficiaries. name a beneficiary. We're doing that to avoid a scenario like this. We're not doing it because we like to hear ourselves say it. We're doing it to help you at the end of the day and to avoid these really crippling and heartbreaking situations and scenarios. Because if this person had checked that his sister wasn't the named beneficiary, he would have changed it. He could have changed it. So really the moral of this story is, I guess there's two morals that we learned today. One, update those beneficiaries. Go check the beneficiaries on your life insurance policy. If they aren't the person you want it to go to, update them today. The other is, if we can't locate the designated beneficiary on a life insurance policy, it's going to become property of your estate. So, I hope you found this video informative. If you did, please smash that like button. Head on over to YouTube, subscribe to our YouTube channel. We're also on Instagram and TikTok at NJ Estate Attorney. And also, we have a podcast on all your podcast platforms. New Jersey Estate Planning Daily. So, go listen to us in your car, at home, on the treadmill, on a run, where have you. If you have a question pertaining to this topic or any other topic in estate planning or probate, and you want to schedule a free strategy session over the phone with me, head on over to njestateattorney.com to schedule a day and time that works best for you. As always, my name is David Campanile. I'm the owner of Campanile Law, located in the state of New Jersey. We handle estate planning and probate.